Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So today I am bringing you an all white outfits, ideas / lookbook, and it's just like everyone tends to just pull out all of their white clothing during this time of year. So I thought that I would just round up all of my favorite all white outfits for you guys and just give you a couple of outfit ideas. Now I know that wearing all white could be incredibly like, how do you use, like, I know what I'm trying to say in Korean, but I don't know how to say it in English. Like, it's very, like, pressure, like, not pressure, but, like, it's very, like, you're self-conscious, kind of. I think you know what I'm talking about. But, like, wearing all white is kind of like a ooh, you know, like, that kind of thing. Like, I remember when I was younger, my mom once was like, never wear an all white bikini or, like, all white bathing suit. But I think it's just, like, the whole fact of, like, it being see-through. It's, like, just whenever you get it dirty or anything like that, it's just, like, too clean, and then you're just like, if you get it dirty, it's kind of like, oh, like you ruined the outfit. Anyway, I don't really know where I was going with that story, but in today's video, like I said, I'm going to be showing you these outfits. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel already, I would love for you to subscribe down below. Just a side note, I feel like my makeup today, like, I don't know what's really happening. I have a mirror here, like, I really feel like my makeup is looking a little bit like Donald Trump. Like earlier, I like powdered it a lot, but like earlier, like my under eyes were so white, and like I haven't tanned in a while, and then I used like the dewdrops from Drunk Elephant, and it just made me look really bronzed, and then I like whitened my under eyes, and I didn't wear any foundation today. I just did concealer, and I genuinely feel like I look like Donald Trump, like. So let's just ignore that in the clips because I think you guys will like totally see what I'm talking about when you see the clips. But anyways, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. So here's the first outfit. This outfit you guys have seen in my February like Valentine's Day lookbook. Both pieces are by Boohoo and shoes are by ZARA. I'll leave links down below to every single piece and all the outfits and stuff down below. I love the bell sleeves of this piece here. Let me come up close. So it's got bell sleeve details. I'm just wearing like a nude bra underneath, and then just these white wide leg trousers by Boohoo. I really do love this outfit so much. I feel like this is a really glamorous look, but you can easily kind of casualize this top with a pair of white jeans. So let me show you guys that outfit. Okay, so here is what I was talking about. You can easily make this outfit a little bit more casual by throwing on a pair of like distressed wide leg white denim. So these jeans are by Banana Republic in a size 28. You guys, I love these jeans so much. They kind of remind me of like my American Eagle ones, but they're a lot more bright white, and the wide leg on this is like way wider. So it's almost like a culotte style. So this is the next outfit, a little bit less glam and just more daytime dressy. Okay, so here is the next outfit. I really wanted to do a couple of outfits with an all white linen blazer. I recently got this one from SHOWPO, and it fits kind of boyfriend style because it is a little oversized. I got it in a size 6, but I thought that it would look so cute over dresses and also with like a pair of denim shorts and just like a white basic t-shirt. So these shorts are by Banana Republic as well. Super comfortable, size 28. I'm really sad that I didn't mention it in my best shorts video because they had come in like a day after, so I really wish I'd mentioned it. I just paired it with my Vionic orthopedic espadrille shoes, and I feel like that just ties the whole look together. A cream espadrille or like a white espadrille is just such a staple for spring and summer because you can just wear it with all outfits and it makes your outfit look really clean. And people ask me all the time, like, how do you not get it dirty? And you just have to wash it well and know when to use bleach and just kind of be more cautious, I guess. Like, don't just like sit on wet grass or something. Do you know what I mean? I just paired it with a Tory Burch beige tone bag. I love this one because I feel like it just adds a neutral color to the whole outfit. Here's the next outfit. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Do you not? Let me know. Let me know in the comments which outfit you guys are loving so far. So here's the next all white outfit. This is an outfit that you guys have seen me wear before. I'm gonna throw on the blazer in just a second, but let's go through the pieces. So this silk top is by LILYSILK, and honestly, like in person, I get a lot of questions about these. The camera isn't doing like the best job at like translating how amazing this silk shirt is. The fit is really nice, and I love the covered trim to cover the buttons. I'm wearing the Levi's wedgie fit icon wedgie jeans. They're super stretchy and comfortable. And then just these Tatiana heels by 9 West. 4 inches in pashmina satin, and they're by far my favorite jeans, or I'm sorry, my favorite high heels. Let me go ahead and throw on the blazer. And again, this is just an outfit you guys would see me like normally in person. I love wearing outfits like these. They just make me feel very put together, very classic. I love this outfit so much, and I can't wait to show you guys the next one. Okay, here is another all white dress. This is one of my favorite cuts, like a nice high neck ribbed dress. Now Forever 21 does amazing jobs of these. So this is also by Forever 21. It comes with this white belt, but sometimes I like to take it off and like change it for a little belt bag, which is a really, really cute look. So it's a little bit more versatile. Let me show you guys. Sometimes with a lot of my midi style dresses, I actually just treat them like they're pencil skirts. So I'm gonna throw on a sweater and show you guys what it looks like. So now I actually just threw on a sweater from Zara. You guys have seen this on my channel before. It's just got like pearl details on the sweater. I know Shein does a really similar one, so I'll link them down below in the description box. But I actually just took that tie and I tied it in the back, and then I just tucked the sweater underneath it so that it would become a little bit more crop top, because if I didn't, then the sweater would be kind of going down towards my stomach and it'd be kind of long. Here you can see that I'm using it as a pencil skirt, and I think it just gives you a lot more shape, and you can get like pretty much 2 pieces in one item, which I love doing. If you like wearing all white outfits in your wardrobe, or you have a dress similar to this, try this out, and I definitely think you'll get more wear out of your outfit. So I recently showed you guys this outfit in my last video, my pack with me video. So these sweats are by ARITZIA, the TNA line. I love them. They're my new obsession. They're not only are they really soft and like have all the great qualities of a great sweatpant, but they're a really amazing fit. So I actually just cuffed up the bottom, but even if you roll it out, it doesn't like bunch at the bottom, which I really like. These Nike Jester XX Air Force Ones, and then this Reformation crop top, which you've been seeing pretty much in all of my videos at least once recently. And then I would just throw on a like pretty little thing oversized cardigan, or even a leather jacket, or whatever it is. But this look right here, like this is just a perfect casual outfit. You're traveling, like this is such an incredible casual girl outfit. This is like definitely one of my favorite outfits to go to. So this is my Mariana Hewitt / Lauren Gore's outfit. I feel like this outfit exactly is something that I've seen both of them wear, and they influence my style a lot. Now, if you like this outfit, but you're like, you know what, I don't really want to look like a tall glass of milk, let me just show you a quick tip on breaking up the outfit with an accessory and showing you how much it makes a difference. So here is the outfit, but with a leopard printed belt on, and as you can see, like it completely breaks it up. It almost makes it look like a jumpsuit situation. So top is Pretty Little Thing, Banana Republic jeans, and then Beginning Boutique belt, and then same Zara shoes. I just wanted to put this on and show you guys what it looked like, but let's move on to the next outfit. And the last way I wanted to show you how to wear all white, or like another all white outfit idea, is this one here. So I took that blazer dress, but I'm actually wearing white shorts underneath. These are the Levi's the Levi's white 501 shorts that I featured in my best white shorts video. And I know this is very short, but I feel like if you were going to an event, or if you're going out at night, I would wear this outfit for drinks with the girls. I would wear this out on like a date night. I think one of the best ways to feel super confident is just feeling really comfortable and like secure, and like that nothing's gonna kind of fly out. So I'm actually just wearing a bra in here, but it looks like a tank top. So I have that on underneath. I've got the shorts on underneath, so that if I ever like bend down, or if I like whatever happens, I have the shorts on, so it's not like anything's flying out. But from the front, this outfit just looks super chic. It looks really like, you know, you're ready to just hold a glass of rosé or something in your hand. And then I've just got the 9 West Pashmina satin heels on. So that is the last outfit. I literally love this outfit so much. I cannot express to you how much I love this outfit. It is a little short, okay? So that's why I'm saying like definitely wear some shorts underneath, or maybe like a skirt that has like, that comes out like right underneath it to like show that you're wearing something. But yeah, so that's the outfit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up. That definitely helps me out. It indicates to me that you guys are enjoying these types of videos. Like I said in my previous video, I'm leaving to Korea for the next week and I will be filming another nail vlog, which I know you guys will love. And I'm also just doing a lot of other kinds of like travel video and travel content stuff. So make sure you're staying subscribed. Do that down below. Follow me on Instagram and yeah. That's everything I have to share with you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend. Spend some time with your family, spend some time with yourself, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!